On this Wednesday, Dr. David Graff from Animal Care Hospital on Blair's Ferry Road in Cedar Rapids is here. First of all, who do we have here?
His name is Da Vinci.
Okay.
And he's at the Cedar Rapids Animal Care Control. He's between 1 and 2 years. He's a neutered male, and he's a really big kitty, and he's very friendly.
Okay, lots of questions have already come in the last few minutes. We'll try to get to these. So one cat owner says that she survived a fire, has 2 cats. She says the cats appear fine, but wonders, is it worth going to a veterinarian just to confirm if they're okay or if there's no long-lasting damage?
Absolutely. And the reason is smoke inhalation can cause lung damage that's inapparent. The cats could be acting totally normal and could have considerable smoke inhalation damage. So strongly consider taking that kitty or those kitties to the veterinarian and have a chest x-ray, examination and x-rays. And I'll give you an example. I had a cat come in 2 weeks ago that had an increased respiratory rate, and actually the owner brought the cat in for vaccinations and didn't even notice that the cat was having a little bit of labored breathing. And we x-rayed the cat's chest, and there was considerable heart disease with an enlarged heart and fluid all the way around the lungs. And the cat 2 weeks later on medicine is doing way better.
Okay.
But the owner had no idea how severely ill the kitty was. And so my point is, it's a really good idea, especially in the case of cats that might have had smoke inhalation, to have them examined and radiograph their chest. And it's a good take-home message that there's a lot of inapparent conditions that cats and dogs alike can have that don't show up at all, and that regular blood testing and x-rays can help diagnose and detect early problems, especially heart disease, lung disease, tumors, and kidney disease that shows up on blood tests.
Thanks for the detailed answer on that. Another cat question. Someone's got a 15-year-old cat that's now pulling hair out in clumps. Male cat, 2 bald spots. They're curious, is this allergy related?
It might be allergy related. It could be a skin problem, like an infection. It could be behavioral. Cats, because of anxiety and stress, sometimes pull their hair out. It's not male pattern baldness, right? Before we got
that was my speculation.
Yeah,
Okay,
Chris brought that up. I was like, oh, I never thought of that. Cats don't get male pattern baldness.
Of course
they don't get old age related baldness. But it could be hormonal. It could be behavioral. It could be an infection type condition. It could be an allergy. It could be a lot of things. Have the kitty examined by your veterinarian.
Quickly, flea and tick question. What's the best product to use for flea and tick control? Collars, topical, or a pill? What do you recommend?
Well, collars are probably the oldest and the worst. The topical frontline type preparation that has been around for many 15, 20 years now is probably the most successful veterinary product in the history of veterinary medicine. It works very, very well. It's put on the skin between the shoulders once a month. Very good product. There are some very good oral products for dogs. There's not a good oral product for cats, but there is good oral products for dogs. Okay, so both the new oral products and these are the best.
One more plug here for Da Vinci, Cedar Rapids Animal Care and Control. Very mellow cat, just taking it all in. Always good seeing you, Dr. Graff. Thanks for your time.
Good to be here.